April 8, 2026. A high-speed pursuit in Riverside County that ended in a total disaster. The suspect, driving a white Cadillac CT5, was considered armed and dangerous. In a bizarre move, he called 911 himself during the chase, telling dispatchers he had a gun and had no intention of stopping. As the pursuit reached Jurupa Valley, a Riverside Sheriff's deputy attempted to end it using the Grappler. But at these extreme speeds, the device failed to lock onto the tire. Instead of anchoring the car, it acted as a pivot, lifting the Cadillac and sending it into a violent, uncontrolled crash directly into a residential wall. The impact didn't end the crisis. What followed was a tense, hours-long standoff involving SWAT teams, armored Bearcats, and drones. When tactical units finally breached the vehicle, they found the suspect deceased from a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Was the speed too high for the Grappler to work? Or was the tactical decision to engage too rushed? Let us know what you think in the comments.